Nakoy question mo. Atong topic is kuan. For today atong topic kay so ito term ato?
Today's video.
Atong quality?
Persistency.
Oh, atong topic is persistency. So ako ay understanding sa persistency is basically quality of your clients in terms of they keep on renewing or paying their policies. Kaya uban man good, especially kana mga nagtuo ra bitaw nga kanang kita nga mga agent kay ato ring giapas is ang halin, but actually if ma-understand lang sila nga nagitay ka ng quality control bitaw in terms of we also have to make sure na nakasabot gid bitaw ang client kay natay gitawag nga persistency. Kanang sakto ba kog understanding mga?
I think there's a little correction lang. Persistency, it measures now how persistent your client pay their policy. Now it all boils down to quality over quantity. So it's how the advisor present the policy and make the client understand the benefit of what he is getting. So it's not just selling, because some uban man good kay mahulog na they're selling. It's not really selling, because when you sell, you present, oh maano siya ang kuan na kinakuan na kay makakuan nindot nga policy. Whereas if you discuss or if you explain and let the client understand what are the advantages and the benefit he's getting out of his policy, he would really make sure that he'll keep the policy until it's fully paid.
For 5, 7, 10 years, no?
Yeah,
sometimes beyond, depende gid sa kuan sa policy ang ikuha. So meaning nakasabot gid sa client kay for 10 years kabayad gud siya.
So it all boils down to the advisor. Make them understand, not just sell a policy, but make them understand what they're getting out from it, the benefit, how it can benefit them and their families. So to make sure that the client keep their policy until it is fully paid.
So muna siya ang persistency. So
That's
basically kita po nga mga kuan distributor, we also make sure nga before ginato a done deal kasabot gid dapat si client, kay otherwise mukuha ra nag sukabuhan hindi siya kasabot the following month, hindi siya kita as value.
Yes, and sayang ilang money kay dili nila mabawi. So
and then at the same time on our end ang atong persistency rate unsa may kanang implication ana?
The lower the persistency, then as an advisor
Internally mo na siya tong kuano.
It's like a grading, one of the
control
grading component. How effective you are as an advisor somehow. So that's why from day one pa lang, you have to make sure that you provide quality explanation.
Oh, even sa mga
understanding client. So make sure that bottom line is before you present a product, make sure that you fully understand what they are getting.
Or before they sign up